Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we make sense of the beauty world one product at a time. If you've ever looked in the mirror and felt frustrated by frizz that won't behave, dryness that steals your shine, or color-treated hair that just looks tired, you're not alone. And that's exactly why this review matters. Before we get into everything you need to know, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any honest, expert-backed beauty breakdowns. Today, I'm reviewing the Wella Professional's Ultimate Smooth Intense Mask, a deep, nourishing cream treatment designed for dry, frizzy, or unruly hair. This is a color-safe, paraben-free hair mask formulated with squalane and omega-9, using patented technology intended to nourish the hair from the inside while reinforcing a protective barrier on the outside. It's dermatologically tested, vegan, and suitable for all hair types. What first grabbed my attention about this formula is the combination of squalane and omega-9. Squalane is a powerhouse emollient that helps replenish lost moisture without weighing the hair down. And omega-9 acts almost like a sealing lipid, helping smooth the cuticle layer for that silky high-gloss finish. On paper, this is the kind of mask that's built not just to coat the hair, but to genuinely improve that inner-outer balance of hydration and smoothness. Using it in my routine was incredibly straightforward. The texture is rich but not overly thick, so it spreads easily from mid-lengths to ends without clumping. I tested it over several washes, both after clarifying and after standard shampooing, just to see how it performs under different conditions. What surprised me most was how quickly it absorbs. There's no heavy residue, no greasy afterfeel, and no waxy coating that some deep conditioners tend to leave behind. After rinsing, my hair felt soft immediately, but what I appreciated even more was how controlled the frizz looked once it dried naturally. Not pin straight, but definitely smoother, more flexible, and noticeably shinier. There are things I loved and things I think could be better. On the pro side, the mask delivers on its smoothing claims without feeling heavy, and the shine payoff is impressive, especially on color-treated hair that tends to look dull between treatments. The scent is pleasant, but not overpowering, and the formula feels premium. On the con side, results are most noticeable with consistent use. It's not a miracle mask after one application, and if your hair is extremely coarse or tightly textured, you may need to leave it on longer than instructed to see its full smoothing potential. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When we talk value, Wella sits in that professional grade category, so you're paying for salon quality formulation. And in this case, I do think the price aligns with the technology inside. The patented complex with squalane and omega-9 isn't something you find in drugstore masks, and the performance reflects that. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but it feels justified based on the hair feel, finish, and long-term manageability. Compared to other smoothing masks, like Moroccanoil's smoothing mask or the Redken Frizz Dismiss treatment, Wella's version feels lighter, yet still deeply effective. It absorbs better than the heavier silicone-forward masks, making it a great fit for people who want smoothness without losing volume or movement. The packaging is sturdy, functional, and seals tightly to prevent the formula from drying out. While I haven't used it long enough to comment on the full long-term changes, the performance remained consistent across multiple uses, which is promising for ongoing benefits. I didn't have any direct experiences with customers for this product, but Wella is widely regarded as reliable in the professional hair care space, particularly when it comes to providing clear usage guidelines and addressing concerns through salons and retailers. If the price feels slightly out of reach, alternatives like L'Oreal Elvive's Dream Lengths mask or Shea Moisture's Omega-Rich treatments offer a more budget-friendly option. They won't give the same lightweight yet intensive smoothing effect, but they can get you closer to that nourished, frizz-controlled feel without stretching your wallet. Overall, the Wella Professional's Ultimate Smooth Intense Mask is a strong performer if you're dealing with dryness, frizz, or color-treated dullness. It delivers real smoothness, softness, and shine without weighing the hair down. I'd recommend it for anyone with fine to medium hair who want silkiness and manageability, or for those with color-treated hair looking to maintain vibrancy and softness between salon visits. If your hair is coarse or high density, it can still work beautifully. You may just need a bit more product or a longer processing time. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to this product is in the comments or the description box. And if you've used this mask before, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.